Struggling with neck pain and headache that just won't go away? Meet Tom. Tom is a 35-year-old graphic designer who's been finding it more difficult to focus at work. His top 3 symptoms include one-sided neck pain that travels to the back of his head, headaches that get worse after sitting at his desk all day, and a stiff neck that makes it difficult to turn his head. His symptoms started gradually 4 months ago, worsened by long hours at work. Tom reports no trauma, but he had a mild whiplash from a car accident 3 years ago. Have a guess on what this condition could be and save this video for the answer later.